Working with high-speed video analysis and got an ANA file from ProAnalyst. This stores motion tracking data from the Scientific Motion Analysis tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these ProAnalyst motion analysis files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn ANA files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. A data file created by ProAnalyst, a software package used for professional motion analysis of video data. Users create ANA files to save their analysis projects, which include tracking data, measurements, and annotations overlaid on a video. They search for this to share projects or troubleshoot compatibility. The ANA file is a project container, likely using a proprietary binary or structured format. It doesn't store the video itself, but rather references the video file and saves all the user-generated analysis data, such as tracking points, vectors, and calculations, ensuring a small file size and non-destructive editing. The direct link for opening ANA files is established with ProAnalyst from Excitex Inc. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. To start the process, right-click your ANA file and select Open With. If you have ProAnalyst installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. When an ANA file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If the ANA file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, opening in ProAnalyst. Install Excitex ProAnalyst on your system. Launch the application and use File then Open to load your ANA file. ProAnalyst displays the motion analysis project with associated video tracking data and measurements ready for review, further analysis, or reporting in the Motion Measurement workspace. Next, exporting analysis data. Within ProAnalyst, use the export functions to save tracking data and measurements as CSV, Excel, or other standard formats. Once exported, the data can be analyzed in spreadsheet applications, MATLAB, or other scientific tools, providing flexibility beyond ProAnalyst's native file format. Finally, sharing with project files. Share ANA files along with associated source video files for collaborative analysis. ProAnalyst projects reference video sources requiring both files for complete project loading. Package the ANA file and video together when transferring projects between researchers or systems for full analysis continuity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.